So good morning everybody and once again welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 29 and now we are starting another interesting topic of service now that is called the service portal. Service portal is something which I can say is a website where user can log in and order something. हम उसको we not call it as a can we don't call it as a website because that's not the right word in ServiceNow domain, but we can say that but we call it as a service portal and it is mainly used by the end users only. End users who don't have any license. यहाँ पर दो चीजें हैं, end user और एक customer. We are saying end user because end user are the users who belong to IT because हम ITSM पढ़ रहे हैं. When we say that it is a customer, then we say about the CSM, customer service management, जहां पर हम customer और consumer की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. So now let's say Hital joined a new company and Hital boss says Hital go and log a request to get a laptop and to get a mobile phone. So she cannot go to some kind of iPhone store or maybe some Samsung store and buy it. No. Every company has a portal for its user where they can log in and where they can request all these things that what they want to be ordered. Okay, so how to design that part, where to design that part, we are going to be discuss that particular stuff in today's part. It's a little interesting part because what I can say. It's a little interesting because we have to do little designing, but if you want to work on the portal, then you need to be do little coding as well, because portal is like as I say, it's a website where you have to be do CSS or maybe some kind of HTML code. You have to be write it there. Okay, now I'm just waiting for my instance to be wake up completely, then I'll start that part. So what is another thing of the portal that a end user can mainly do three things. One, he can order an item. Number two, he can raise an incident. And number three, he can read the knowledge articles. Are the three main things a user can do from the service portal. Now to enhance experience of the customers like who are using ServiceNow, ServiceNow introduced a new portal that is called the ESC, Employee Service Center. So, एक SP है. In the short we call SP. It's called the Service Portal. And one is ESC. This is called Employee Service Center. Yep, it's ready now. ServiceNow is moving or recommending to their customers that you also use the ECS. Now it's login. Okay. How we can access ECS? Go here. 379. Or if I copy and if I go here, sorry, Employee Service Center is the another one. Okay, now we will discuss about mainly this part, service portal. I'll give you a little bit understanding about the ECS as well because ECS is not that straightforward. ठीक है, ये है मेरा service portal and it open with the short form called SP. We will see how this thing can be configured. ये image कहाँ से है, ये boxes क्या होते हैं, click करने पे क्या आ रहा है, ये सब menus क्या आ रहा है. We will discuss this part. But one thing which you need to be understand is that this is only for the end users. Okay. Did we complete this part a little bit, right? अगर मुझे याद आ रहा है शायद. Yes or no, any idea?
No, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, good. Okay, so this is a portal view and this is a native view. Now दो चीजें अलग अलग हैं. Native view is used by mainly the users who have a ITL license, but this portal is used by the users who don't have ITL license and they just have a end user license or they just have a approver license. Okay, license means rule. On the top, this one we called as a menu. Like if you want to if I say you want to go here and say Netflix. Now, if I say what is all this? This is a portal because you go here, you select your items and you start using it. Like you can go movies, you can go, all these things will be there. और ये क्या है? ये knowledge articles है, right? It's a knowledge article. In the same manner, these are the menus where you can see, you can use knowledge. If I click on this, you can go to the knowledge bases. Remember though, now when we say we created the knowledge, it comes like this here. If you want to do some ordering, catalog. ये catalogs हो गए. I click on this. ये मेरे catalogs हैं. Incident, iPhone, request, knowledge base, all these things. If I want to see my request, what I ordered already, what is the status of those? We can go and see here. Then system status. Why system status? Because I log in as the admin. Otherwise, it's not okay. System status mainly when you want to show to the users that what is going on my instance. Is anything good, breakdown, or something is not working, or some outage is there? That will put it here. Then cart, like we do the shopping cart, right? सब कुछ कार्ट में ऐड कर दो, जब पापा आएंगे तो उनके कार्ड से पेमेंट कर देंगे. Then tools. Tools are mainly, it's called the guided tools. When you want to tell to your user that how to navigate the system. Like if you install or if you take a new phone, we know that we are so smart guys, we know everything. But if you take a new phone and first time when you on it, it start indicating for the volume up, it show arrow. These are two buttons. For switch off, this arrow, this particular place. So it means those are the guided tools. And here as an admin, I can see my profile. As a login user, I can see my profile. I have a profile here, which provide me this information about, and all the things will be there. Okay. And then log out. And this is the same banner image where I can log in and I can check the banner part. Okay. Now, same thing is given in the boxes as well. These boxes are called, these are boxes called the widgets. WIDGETS, widgets. Widget is the place, or widget is the component which help you to set up some specific work for your customers or the users. That is called the widget. Okay. ServiceNow just added these because they want to enhance the user experience. You can order from here as well. You can order from here as well. Request something, you want to order something. And these all are the different widgets. current issue, top related articles, assessment, approvals. These are the widgets. We will see in the background that how these widgets get created or where this has been created. But one thing is clear that these widgets are not that much easy. They include mainly four parts: server-side scripting, HTML, CSS, and some kind of other scripting they involve it. That is the reason doing changing in the portal is so tough, because you have to be first get it that from where these things are coming. Okay, so this is a overall picture that how this portal has been designed. Doubt, question, and clarification. Then I'll proceed further.
Clear, sir.
Clear सारा कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Good. Chalo, now we'll go to the next level. What is the next level here? Is how and where this portal has been defined. ये तो front end है, ready-made, सब कुछ बना हुआ है. But how this is built up? Let's go here and search for the portals. If you remove S, you can see these things. So we have employee center and we have a portal here. Here, portal, portal home, configuration, portal, announcement, agent chat. Check about the announcement. This is your homework. कि इससे क्या होगा? Because there are a lot of things which we cannot see, which we cannot understand, which we not understand, which we cannot do practical every time in the training. So this is what you have to be thinking. Now click on this portals. Out of the box, ServiceNow provide me these many portal, but it totally depend on what plugin you have installed. So like I have a cab workbench, so ServiceNow provide me the cab workbench as well. Okay. So multiple portals ServiceNow provide me for a different purpose. So we are talking about this SP, service portal. Okay, this one. ECS, this one. Okay, if you want to see the knowledge portal, you can see this one. So if I go here like this, this portal is only for the knowledge base, which we already discussed. If you go and see cab, so it is a cab workbench portal. Because we did not discuss anything here, so we'll come back on this part. Okay. Now, if you click on this SP, it has all the configurations. अब थोड़ा सा understanding पे चलते हैं. This one. Here we say that you can show this particular thing. So now if I go back here and click on this, ये मेरा क्या है? Index page. And how I know? Because it is mentioned index here. Means when a user login, where I should redirect to the user. This is my index page. So you can see here it is coming from number one, it is a suffix SP. This is a home page. If I change this home page, now this home page is also a HTML code. Let's say I want putting clocks. Now if I show you this code, open this page in the other window, just to show that how this pages has been get created. Because this is what we have to understand. So you can see here. They have a page content and all these clocks has been mentioned here. Now if I save this, let me save, and if I reload this page, see, वो चला गया जो हमारे पास पहले था. So one thing which is important to understand that what I can say, it's important to understand that if you make a changes in a one place, it may impact some other places as well. So this is the pages which we have created. ServiceNow provide a lot of pages. It is up to you what you want to be used. ServiceNow say by default you can use index page. What you can create your own page as well. That's fine. देखो इस पर राइट क्लिक करो, कॉन्फ़िगर डिक्शनरी कहाँ से आ रही है, सॉरी कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं, लेट्स डू शो होम पेज. सी टेबल है दिस, उसमें एक फील्ड है. सो इफ आई ओपन दिस टेबल, list, सो अरे सॉरी, हाँ ठीक 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 ठीक, सॉरी हाँ पेजेस अलग जाएंगे, सॉरी पेजेस हैज दिस टेबल, ये sp.page. So if I do like this underscore list, ये देखो ये रहे मेरे पेजेस. Because if you come here and you click on the knowledge, किस पेज पे गया, ये kb underscore view 2. Now if you want to see, search here kb underscore view, ये पेज है. Open this to understand the code. तो वो ऐसे पेज कंटेंट बना हुआ है. पहले नॉलेज बेस दिखेंगे, उसके बाद एक कंटेनर होगा, उसके बाद एक कंटेनर होगा. बिकॉज दीज कंटेनर्स आर नथिंग, these are nothing but these are the widgets. तो ये तो बड़ा कंफ्यूजन है. सबसे अच्छा तरीका है, if you want to understand, go here, control and right click, ये मिल जाता है आपको, and see instance option. ये कह रहा है इसका नाम है presentation top related articles. If you want to make a change, you can change it. Okay, या फिर sorry, right click, and because we are using this day in day out, so we know a lot of things, so we just click on the edit in widget editor, means go to that page where this code has been written. So now this is the code which has been written. See, ये पूरा कोड लिखा हुआ है सर्वर साइड स्क्रिप्ट. Now if you say, sir, can I add something more in this box, you can add, no problem, that's 100% you can add, but to add you have to be see that where this code is written. That is reason doing the changes in the portal is not that much easy. One of my teammate, we are working for a customer, she hate when the customer say I need a change in the portal. We try to defend that it's not a good practice, don't customize it, because we know that to make a single change you have to do a lot of things here or there, because HTML code hai. ठीक, so these are the pages has been defined here. And the same thing ServiceNow using this, कि उसने बोला अगर जो मेन्यू आपको दिख रहा है ऊपर KB, वो इस पेज पे जाएगा, जब लॉगिन करोगे तो लैंडिंग पेज ये है. If you say page is not available, let's say if I put like this, let's say this, so अगर उसको पेज नहीं मिला तो ये गेम आप खेल सकते हो आराम से. But where it has been defined this particular page not found. Catalog home page. If I click on this and I go here, ये catalog home page. They did not define it here, but it is coming from this, yeah, sc_home. What we are doing, we are checking the things on the form level. I will take you on the design level as well. जैसे form था ना, form view, form design जैसे ये है. If you right click on this, you can see this. ये अभी हम उसी पे काम कर रहे हैं. We'll go back to the design as well, क्योंकि डिजाइन में जब डिजाइन दिखेगा, when we see able to design, then only we can work out. Now menu, these things, ये कहां से आते हैं? स्टैंडर्ड्स है. ये कहां से आ रहे हैं? ये एक मेन्यू हेडर बना रखा है हमने, मेन मेन्यू. अब इसका टेबल देखो, एंड ओपन इट. People ask that can we hide this menu? I don't know to show the request. I don't know to show the card. So you have to be go here and you have to be see the code here. See knowledge catalog request ये यहाँ से आते हैं. Now this is the SP instance menu. अगर मैं इसको पूरा ओपन करूँ, we have few more. Service now provide these out of the box menu to me. ये देखो ये. So if I go and make a change here, let's say CSP and save. Let's close this and now reload it. Did I save it now proper? Because sometimes it is a cache issue as well. Oh. Let me change the page. Maybe some other. Let's say cab workbench menu and save it. See, menu गायब हो गए, because these things are coming from this menu and maybe something else has been written in this menu which is not available to us. And last is the theme, the presence. ये जो आपको हरा हरा दिख रहा है ये. So there's a few themes provided by ServiceNow. Let me change to the ECS theme and save and reload. See, things get changed automatically. Error क्यों दे रहा है? क्योंकि we're using the wrong theme at the wrong place. See, header also gone, plus boxes changes, something is there. Now this is a form level. Let's go to the design level. Let's reset it everything. It's a header menu and it's a Lazola. And save and reload. ठीक. Now if you scroll down a little bit more, this is the icon. जो ये दिख रहा है आपको, ये बड़ा icon. You can make a change here. And this is the starting configuration. They are given the CIS ID. CIS ID इंस्टेंस की देखो ये है, नहीं ये नहीं है, सॉरी CIS ID, नॉट दिस वन, जो शायद ओपन होता होगा इंस्टेंस उसकी और नीचे बैकग्राउंड इमेज की. बट इफ यू वांट टू मेक अ चेंज हियर, राइट क्लिक and this instance option. How we can help? You can rename it as well. We will see this part, but I want to show you from the designer view. This is a shortcut, but yes, we'll go for the designer view now. And then CSS variables, color code and all the things will be there. ये जो color code आपको दिख रहे हैं सारा ये वाला, ठीक. And if you go here, you can see search sources. When you search here, email request. It's bringing this to. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं ये? We have mentioned this part. That search in the knowledge base and search in the catalogs. Which knowledge bases? These knowledge bases you should search. Which catalog? Only one catalog should show. And taxonomy is a concept which is mainly used in the ECS portal. क्योंकि ECS we will try to discuss a little bit about the ECS tomorrow. Okay, not in depth but little bit. Okay, so we can see how it's been working or it has been defined here. Now let's go to the part, portal and portal configuration. And let's close this. Now this is a single place where you can build your own portal and where you can change your portal as well. Change means I want to make a changes in the widgets. I want to change in the portal, sorry, in the pages. Right? So now what we'll do, we will see this part. Because when we were here, we're not able to change anything. We have to be open everything once again, and then we have to be make a changes. But now we are on this page. Number one, it says branding. Means these changes you want to be change. यहाँ पर. Which portal you want to be changed? I want to change the SP portal. Service portal. गलती से दूसरा ना change कर देना. So now you can see. And the good part here is that it will not take time. It is auto saved. Atul, I want to be change portal title. Okay. LNG Pathshala. As soon as I tab out, it will make a changes. But change हुआ कहाँ ये तो बताओ. कहाँ change हुआ? You know? We'll see. I want to change the image. ये image जो है मुझे change करनी है. Come here. Go. Let's say I want to put this image. See, it's loading now. ये यहाँ पे change हो गया. देखो LNG पाठशाला के पहले ये सर्विस पोर्टल लिखा था, LNG पाठशाला लिखा आ गया. Now, if you want to do little bit left and logo padding like this. Left में लेके जाना है, top में लेके जाना है. Kind of things like this. We can do. ठीक है. Now, if I want to make a change of this one, how can we help you? This is the text. Welcome in LNG Pathshala. What color you want? I want to be blue. Homepage background. Change it to. I put the very weird color so that I can see that where it is mentioned. See, it has been changed here. I want to change this image. Upload this and do this. नहीं क्या? अच्छा वो background image की वजह से वो हट गया. So इसको if I put it white, let's see. Now it's working. Now if you want to change the theme color, I'm not going in the deep. It's you can do because it's the complete designing part. And the good part is that without refreshing everything, you can see quickly here. So these are the options. Navigation bar, this one. I want to make a change here. Navigate divider. Not sure what is this, but let's see. Maybe जो lines होंगे ना बीच में कुछ ऐसा होगा. Blue lines करके कुछ होगा. ये वाला. ठीक. Page background. पूरे पेज का. See. Now if you want to see, go here and refresh your actual page. See, changes are here. It's quick and easy. तो मैं और देखो, if you see that these are the getting changes. Heartbeat means this field has been changed at some other place. This is the meaning of this heartbeat. Right? This is the meaning of the heartbeat here. Now if I come back here, this is the first part. ये आपका playground area है. You go and check it. Text muted, link color. It's all about you. What you want to see, what you want to do, you can do it here. Okay. Now the next part is click on this service. Now branding तो हो गई. Let's design it now. Design says that how this page will be shown, appeared. That is the called design. Means मुझे अपने फॉर्म पे ये सारे पेजेस शो करने हैं. But we have to be designed, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
So we can do this part in the designing. We can do on the designing. And designing means we can see the pages. See, ये क्या है appointment? ये सारे pages हैं. Remember, if I show you, if you want to see this page, SC underscore. ये देखो, ये वही pages हैं. If I click on this, SC underscore home, ये page है मेरा. SC underscore. देखो ये रहा. If you want to make a change in the page level, then you can come here. But remember one thing. If you make a change in a page and that page has been used in any other portal as well, then it will impact every place. मतलब कि if you are changing your surname in one document online, it will impact every other places as well. So be careful when you're making a changes in the pages. तो सर फिर solution क्या है इसका? Solution is this: copy this page and then do the changes. In service portal, it is recommended don't make a changes in the out of the box pages, out of the box widgets. That's not good recommended, because maybe tomorrow service now bring something new, then it will create a problem for your code. So better if you want to customize it, make a copy and do it. So what we'll do now, let come here SP and we'll try to create, this is my service portal. Let's try to create a new page. Pages. Or let's close this simple way. Let's close this and open the designer again. I want to create a new page. Page name is LNG. Submit. मैं अपना एक नया पेज बना रहा हूं and I want this page I will use for the login. So now if I go back here, let's say I want index page should become LNG Pathshala. So if you come here now and if you open this SP, nothing is coming because I did not design anything in my page. So ऐसे page designs होते हैं. I want my page should be like a container. Drag and drop. In this container, I want these boxes. Now if you come and see, खाली है भी क्योंकि boxes में कुछ है ही नहीं. Now if you come here, sorry, in these boxes we need to put the widgets कि क्या दिखना चाहिए मेरे यूजर को, क्या होना चाहिए मेरे कस्टमर के लिए. So we can go and find the widgets. Now here the widgets. You can do the widgets from here or you can go widget to here as well, or you can go to the page editor as well. Page तो बन गया मेरा. Okay, that's fine. Let's say page is ready. Now I want to go to page editor. कौन सा पेज है? LNG Pathshala. This is the way my page has been designed, to see that where all the components are look like, where all these things will be there. If you click on this container, ये कंटेनर कैसे है? ये वाला कंटेनर, एक कंटेनर, ये दूसरा कंटेनर, उसमें 3 बॉक्सेस. नेम क्या है कंटेनर का? LNG service now training. If you want to make some changes, width वगैरह you have to fix. Float you can do little bit. Page name is this. Screen reader title. LNG. I'm not sure that what will happen. Semantic tags. It is mainly to show some colorful things. ServiceNow introduce or changes something for the semantic pages in the mobile app now. I have no idea how to do, how it's work. I want to put the background image. This upload image. जब तक ये है तब तक easy है क्योंकि drag and drop है, कुछ नहीं है. And now if I click on the save and if you go here and refresh it, see how it will be look like. And if you go back on the main portal, you can see the changes. Chal bhai, maybe it's again cache issue something. ठीक है. So page editor will help you to do the editing in a page with this design format. And now if you want to do this in the page designer, see it's showing open, sorry, it's saying open the page in the designer. You can open it, same thing. Or if you want to go, let me go here. कहाँ गया ये रहा? I want to go for the widgets. Click on the widgets. Don't get confused. Don't get confused because this is still easy. Now I want to show on my page clock here. CLOCK. Cool clock. Drag and drop. Sir, I want to show the announcements here. Drag and drop. I want to show the pre-maintenance here. And drop. You can click here. I want to show like this. क्या क्या show करना है? Let's say approval info, one box. Let's say catalog checkout, ये box. Let's say KB category, ये box. मैं सिर्फ show करके दिखा रहा हूँ अभी. Performance indicator, ये box. And now nothing to be saved. If you want to see the preview, click here. And see the beauty of service now that you want to see on the desktop, it's look like this. You want to see on the tablets, click on this. You want to see on the mobile phone, this. So by doing the preview, you can see that what are the changes we have done. So this is what we have done. 1, category 2, clock, announcement, or these things. These are nothing but these are the widgets. Can I make a change in this widget? Let's go here and search a widget. Select a widget. I want to clock. Cool clock. असली प्रॉब्लम तो यहां आती है. उस the box, the clock you're able to see is coming from these places. Let me tick these boxes. See, ये सारा कोड लिखना पड़ता है. यहाँ पर here we can't use the drag and drop options. Sorry, we can't use the drag and drop options. If you know coding, if you know these things, so it's a if t greater than 17, it's a evening. T greater than 19, it's a night. T less than 5 is the night. Not sure that what code they are mentioned. HTML code ये है. CSS, client script, server side script, link functions, and JSON. It's showing zone like this. Caption. Let's see. LNG लग के देखिए नहीं. अच्छा हाँ. Now ServiceNow did not recommend. ServiceNow did not recommend to make a changes in the out of the box widgets. They say if you want to make a change in the out of the box widget, clone that widget first. Go and clone it. And you can put LNG clock and submit. Now this is my clock and I want to be change it here. अच्छा तो cool clock है ना. We have to go to LNG1 ये वाला, because now that is my part. See, and now I can make a changes here. LNG blue red. Control S. Let's see, did it make any changes? Or let me bring, or let me add this clock in the full page. Pages. And let me put a container like this, and here I will put my LNG1 so that I can see all the, sorry, I'm not able to see this widget. फुल क्लॉक नहीं भाई, LNG क्लॉक था हमारा विजेट तो. मे बी नहीं, वगैरह ऐसे नहीं होगा. इसको आपको करने के लिए ये वाला करते हैं. कुछ तो कंटेनर के अंदर दो रखने के लिए. This, so that I can see the clocks like this. ठीक. So now where we reach, let me come back here. Portal configuration. So we did branding, we did designer, page editing we did, widget we did. Now if you want to create a new portal, click here and you can define these things. Means this option we can do from here as well. See, I want to say LNG LNGP homepage should go to LNG homepage. KB home should go to appointment list. Login page should go to LNG like this. This is what I am creating my portal. And when you save it, Your work is done. Put your questions. Questions.
Clear, sir.
ठीक है. So with this way we can do our work. So like if I go to the pages again and I want to be see सर ये कैसे आता है. मान लीजिए मैं SP पे जाता हूँ और कैटलॉग पे ये पेजेस कैसे आ रहे हैं. So let's do little bit on this part. So this आपको सिर्फ पेज पता होना चाहिए है. SC_home. Open this. And now you can see how this page has been designed. This page has a 3 major containers, under that 1 row columns, and then we have this thing. So if you click on this, nothing they have mentioned. They say only 1 row is there. What is the 1 row? Click here. Yeah. Order this. Now if you go back, column 1. इसमें भी एक इंस्टेंस दिया हुआ है. So you can see this thing. मतलब to design this page, this complete page, we have a lot of things to be do. ये तो second container, ये first container, ये second container है. My request, let's see here. ये रहा. Type at search, ये था ना? ये type at search. ये यहाँ से है. ये देखो, ये पूरा कोड है इसका. Full code. टोटल 60 पेजेस इंक्लूड है. एंगुलर यूज हुआ है, इंस्टेंसेस इतने हैं. ऑल दिस अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट. ये डिजाइन व्यू है. सेम चीज अगर आप यहां पर जाओगे और आप देखोगे पेजेस अंडर सर्विस पोर्टल पेजेस, यू कैन ओपन दिस हेयर एज वेल. SC_home. ये रहा. यहां पर ये ऐसे डिफाइन है. कंप्लीट 3 कंटेनर हैं और इन कंटेनर में एवरी कंटेनर हैज मल्टीपल थिंग्स लाइक दिस. दिस इज व्हाट इज द पोर्टल. क्लियर हो गया ईतल? गुड.
Yes, sir.
And we have completed our portal configuration. Tomorrow I'll pick up little bit on the ECS part. ये वाला जो है, because there's a difference between service portal and the ECS. दोनों का वर्किंग ही है, दोनों का they both have a different structure to build up. ये इस पे काम नहीं करता, पेजेस पे काम नहीं करता immediately. It work on the taxonomies. See, ये ऐसे अपीयर हो रहा है, ये मेन्यूज अलग होते हैं. So if you open this, you will see. Also, it depend. So now what happened that let's say I want to raise a request for the laptop. I have to go to service portal, but I want to raise a request for the leave. I have to go to some other portal. Companies में ऐसा होता है. So ServiceNow say why you want to go in the different places. Let me bring everything for you in one place. And this is what they bring the ECS. Now if I install HRSD as well, HRSD, what I can say, plugin, let's install that. So that tomorrow we can see that what changes are there. Human resources scoped app. If I remember the name correctly, yes. Let's install this plugin. क्योंकि I want to see the leave policies. I want to see the I want to request for the leave. So why I should put 2-3 different portals for my employees? Better I will say I have only one portal, ECS. क्योंकि देखो इसमें आपको कई चीजें दिख रही हैं. Phishing scam, create incidents, all the things will be there. Because it is just having only one thing, that is the IT part. So it's showing only IT things. But if I install my HR part as well, which we are going to be do now, install and load demo data. इसको बैकग्राउंड में रन कर देते हैं. It take little time to be installed. तो यहाँ पर वो इंस्टॉलेशन दिखा देगा मुझे. जब इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा, this will be done. Now if I go back here, we have a topic for the plugins as well. Don't worry, how it's work we will show. Let's search human हो गया. और कौन सा प्लगइन है? GRC, governance risk. Let's see, do we have something like this? नहीं. हाँ है. जैसे business continuity management है. A lot of things which we can use it. Let's see, can I use something on my portal? Integrated policy, audit management. So let's see if we have something like this. ESG, environmental social governance. And proceed. ठीक. Need to be procured from store. ये तो अपने पास है नहीं. ठीक है, छोड़ दो. It will not get installed because it's required a little bit more stuff. So mainly two three things. आपका IT हो गया, आपका HR हो गया. We can club these together and we can bring on the ECS portal here. So tomorrow when we'll open this one, we will have two options here. One is technology and one is HR. Because mainly companies में दो ही होते हैं. Maybe if you install some financial parts, that also come here. अभी क्या है? It's just showing me a catalog items kind of things, computer. But it is not coming from simple way. It is little different way to become. So we'll discuss this part little bit in the tomorrow discussion. Sure. Any other doubt, question?
No, sir.
Let me stop recording.